How do I add an automatic bottom banner on every email list post? Bottom banners are useful for including unsubscribe instructions, privacy policies, and other legal disclaimers. To create a bottom banner, use the List Management menu and click on Mail Templates. Then select top and bottom banners from the pull-down menu to narrow the list of available templates. There are two bottom banners, one for HTML messages and another one for plain text messages. Choose the one that you want to edit and enter or copy and paste your bottom banner into the text box, followed by Update. The automatic bottom banner will now be appended to each message posted to the list. Thank you for watching.